Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, how to take the specific element using our Playwright TypeScript for app tools. Okay. App tools is basically we have seen the full page taking, right? Now the similar format we can able to take for specific also. Okay, this is the last video I'm going to do for this particular one. In case if you need more on this, you can comment on this so a particular video I can able to help you. Visual test for specific region. Okay. You can take for image, locator, button, text box, whatever it is. You can a similar format only, nothing different. Okay, everything is same. Okay, you need to give the specific name. Okay, after loading, I'm going just you can provide here the locator separately, or you can directly provide here. There is a method called region. Okay, this will help to take it. If you take the fully it will take, or it will take for only that particular element. Okay, I have already knows that is the reason it is took the directly. Okay, you can see ID we have. Where is this ID? Here. Okay, same ID it is. Okay, same thing only, nothing different. But here we need to open, right? Here also we need to change text box testing. Okay, and if you run, it will take the particular one and it will compare and it will provide you the result. First time we need to First time it will take and run, it will take the screenshot, and then second time it will run and compare those values. Okay. Now I'm running only the specific text box now. Okay. Even you can able to provide for image verification, logos verifications, or something comparison of the widgets and table if the values are constant. If dynamically changing, it will may fail because of that naming conventions. No, miss, it will not. Okay, now if I go and refresh here, now you can see it took that specific element. You can see this is the specific. Okay, and if you run second time, if it's something it is there. Now I'll type something here, testing and all if you're keeping right. Here the element is there. Now before taking the screenshot, if you write something, it will fail because of the text is presenting. Okay. We can see for that. Wait. Okay. Now I'm running now. Now in this case, it should fail because we have written inside a text box. 3 out of 3 it should be fail. So it got failed. It is not closed the eye. Okay. The script is fail if you expand the closed, but if you come here, if you refresh here, now you can see it is got failed because the text is highlighted. See, text got highlighted. Because of that, it is got failed. If there is no text inside your place, text box location. If something white space also, if additional it is coming, then it will make as a fail. But we can able to ignore if the additional spaces is coming. But if something is there, then we can able to make as fail. Okay, this is my last video for this apply tools. In case if you required, you can go. There is a two got passed, one got failed. Okay, visual check. There is something text box having some space, detector some space. Refreshing, one got, yeah, I told you, right? Small additional space, where in the last position there is a small white space. Because of that, it is got failed. In case if that white space is not coming, it will get you give the some result, good result on. Okay, like this, even white spaces after 100% loading, what different it is there. Everything we can able to test by using this Aptus eyes. I hope it entire information help for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.